and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raylyn. Today I am filming a winter homemaking edition. I think I did this not long ago, but today it's way more wintry than it was the last time. We are in the middle of a blizzard. It's winter storm Elliot. It is a big winter storm. I know I was just reading an article where it said over 1 million people from the US and Canada are without power right now. This has been hitting places that usually don't see a lot of cold and snow this year. So yeah, it's just a little crazy. They're even suspending things like DoorDash, and I got a text message. I never get a text message from my internet provider saying they are preparing for power outages. I was like, okay then. That's never happened. But yeah, so I'm just going to be doing some cleaning today. So I am all bundled up in my hoodie because it is cold by the sink. I have to clean the kitchen and it's a little chilly. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I finished cleaning the kitchen and now I just need to wipe down the counters, but I did all the dishes and I took dinner out to thaw and I took lunch out to thaw. And so now one thing I wanted to explain, because I know I have shown in my kitchen, I have shown like the cabinets and they have these little labels on them. That is because my kids they clean the kitchen for me. And so to cut down on, hey mom, where does this go? Hey mom, where does this go? I labeled the whole kitchen because it was just easier to do that and them know where everything goes than to have to come in here 1,000 times while they're doing the dishes to tell them this is where this goes, this is where this goes. So I just wanted to mention that because I know in some videos I've shown and I would want to say something, but I wouldn't have enough time in the video. So I just wanted to explain that is why I have labels all over my kitchen.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Hey, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just...
So y'all know that I love reading things that to y'all that encourage me in my homemaking, and I found this poem by it's called The Homemaker, written by Tom Vales, and it goes, she works around the clock, it seems, washing clothes and cleaning things, at times content, at times despairing, but always there and always caring, taking on the daily task, responding to the voice that asks, Mom, have you? You know the rest. But do you know how mothers bless? Mothers run a home, that's true, but there's much more to what they do. Beyond the making of a house, they make a life, they lift a spouse. They raise up doctors, raise up teachers. They raise managers and preachers. They raise architects and builders, soldiers, presidents, center fielders. Every daughter, every son, the homemaker shaped every one. Our lifetimes bear a mother's seal. because mothers make love real. When I read that, I was like, oh wow, that is so beautiful. I have to share it. So, of course, I have to share it with y'all. And I hope that it encourages y'all as much as it encouraged me. Because when I read that, I was like, that is the homemaker. That is definitely what we do. And it reminded me that I'm not just cooking and cleaning. I'm also helping my children and my husband and making our house a home. And I know I've said that so many times, but it's for real. Homemaking is so much more than just cooking and cleaning. Homemaking is so beautiful and a job that is just so amazing that we are blessed to be able to do it. My goal for every video I post is to leave you with some encouragement. I want you to leave my videos excited about the role you have in your house. It can get very mundane sometimes, and I just want to help give you some motivation and bring some joy to your day. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you here, and I pray y'all have a wonderful and blessed year. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and Lord willing, I'll see y'all on the next one.